Here, if we leave the field empty, a message will appear requiring data entry. And if we delete the data from the field, a message will appear requiring data entry. Let's return again to table design. In this field, which is allow zero length, when we choose yes, it will accept no data, despite choosing required for data entry. By clicking save and then view, we'll find that data can be deleted from the field. Let's return again to table design. We'll find that in the indexed field, the default choice is no. When we need to search or filter according to this field, or according to specific conditions on this field, indexing helps speed up these operations in the database. But if we don't use the field for these operations, it's not advisable to index it. Here, to choose indexing with duplicates, or indexing without duplicates. The Unicode field was for data starting with 0, but we don't need it now. Regarding the IME mode fields, they're used with Eastern languages like Chinese. We won't need them here. As for text alignment, it has been explained earlier. Here, we find the lookup option. It's used when choosing specific values. We'll choose from here list box, then field list. Then we'll enter the desired values at the row source, separated by semicolons. For example, here we write values 2, 4, 10, 30. Then save and run. There is no data in the list to choose from. Because the correct choice here is the value list, not the field. Choose the value list, then save and run. You'll find the field now has a drop-down with the entered data. Notice here that you can input numbers even though the field is text. That's because the short text data type accepts both numbers and text. But if it's a number data type, it only accepts numbers. And if we want the choices to come from another table, we choose from the list combo box. Then select the row source type, table/query. Then press save and close the table. There are no tables to choose from, so we will create a new table. Click on Design Table. And create a table with two fields, ID and name. Then save the table and close it. Start by entering some data in the new table. And go back to the first table. Then select Table 2 as the row source. And choose the desired fields from it, then save and close. You'll notice that Table 2 and the selected fields are now listed as the row source. Then save and run. You'll find that the field now has a drop-down with Table 2 codes. and if we want to modify or add in table 2, as we see by adding some records, when we go back to the first table, we'll find that the list has been updated. Here there's also the long text data type. It differs from the short text in its size length, which exceeds 255. So if we create another field and choose long text data type, we'll find the same properties, but the field size not exists. As well as the lookup, due to its nature of inputting long text. We'll stop here and continue, God willing, in upcoming videos.